Hello, welcome to Around the House with Kay and Tom, and today we're going to cook these two beautiful looking little filet mignons right here. And we're going to use this mozzarella steak, we're going to use some salt, we'll use some beef broth, we'll use some olive oil, and that's about all we're going to use to cook these two steaks here. And we're going to do it all in an Instant Pot. And I know there's a lot of other ways to cook steaks besides in the Instant Pot, but these are going to be good, trust me. You wait and see. Okay, now the first thing we'll do is start to sprinkle a little salt. Put a little salt on them. And put a little bit of mozzarella steak on them here. Alright, now we're going to turn them over. Now we're going to do the same thing on this side. Okay, now the next thing we're going to do. Okay, now we're going to come over here to the Instant Pot and we're going to hit this saute button. And that's just going to go, we're not going to pay any attention to the time, but we want it to stay on high. And so you hit the start button down here. If you don't hit the start button, and if you wait a little bit too long, it just cuts itself off like that, and then you have to start over again. So now you hit the saute button, and we'll leave it on high, and we'll hit start. Okay, I'll start heating up. Now I'm going to take some of this olive oil right here and dump right down in the bottom, just enough to cover up the bottom of this pot. Okay, now that's all of that we'll use. Now we'll let it get warmed up here. Now if you notice, my pot's not silver like everybody else's Instant Pot is. It's because, I'll show you a little closer, because this is a ceramic coating non-stick pot. And I'll leave a link to it down below where you can order one for yourself for your Instant Pot. But it's sort of funny to me. I watch everybody cooking on with the Instant Pot, and they'll say now to deglaze this pot, and what they mean is scraping stuff off the bottom of it has stuck because it's burnt down there, and so that's what they're calling deglazing. With this, you don't have to do the deglazing because it's not going to stick to it to start with. So we'll be back and put those steaks in just a second. Okay, now this pot's been on 2 or 3 minutes, and so I'm going to go ahead and put these steaks down in there. It ain't been on long enough for it to sizzle yet, so I'm going to wait before I put the other one in there. I want a little bit of sizzle coming up before I put the other one in there. So we'll be back in a second. Okay, that's just begun to sizzle good, so I'll put this other one down in there. Oh yeah, that's a popping one. Now with your silicone pots, make sure with your ceramic coated pots, make sure you don't use any metal utensils down in them, because you're not going to be down there scrubbing and scraping like you do with the regular stainless steel pot. Just move them around like that. Okay, now these have been sizzling like this for about 4 minutes. And see how that's starting to sear up? And so I'm going to turn them over. for all you people stuck inside and don't have a grill or can't go grill or something, and maybe you got an Instant Pot, this will be a way you can cook you up a steak and make it almost like grill. And you'll see as we get on with it here a little bit. Okay, now these have been there about 4 minutes on this side. So now these are thick enough where I'm just going to turn them up on their end, I hope. And they'll sit there by itself. Now those ends can get seared in there good like that too. And when it does it on this side, then we'll turn them over to the other side. Okay, let's see what they look like on that side now. We're about to get all the way around this thing here. Oh yeah, see the way, let's see if I can get so you can see it here. See the way it looks nice and seared along in there? Oh, that one looks even better. Look, you fall down. Stand it back up here. Now I got him so he can't fall. Okay, now they're pretty much seared on all sides, so I'm going to hit the cancel button on the Instant Pot here. Okay, now we're going to take these steaks out and put them on the plate. Tell you what, folks, I know they're nowhere near cooked, but they look good enough to eat right there. So, anyway, we'll set them right there. And now, next thing we're going to do, next thing we'll do, I got just a little bit over a cup of beef broth here. And dump that down in there. Just right along with the rest of those spices and oils and stuff that's already down in there. Now I need to widen this out a little bit so you can see what I'm doing more here. I'm going to take this little rack that came with the Instant Pot. I guess it came with it. I got so many of these little things I don't remember where they came from. But now watch out for this pot because it's extremely hot. So now I've got that down in there. Now as you can see, it's up away from that all those juices and that broth I just now put down in there. And we'll put that steak right there. I'll put this one right there. Okay, now we're gonna have little onions with a steak. So I'll cut the end off that. It's sort of a odd shaped onion. Okay, now I've got my onion peeled for the most part. A little bit right there. Get on over there. Alright, now I'm just going to do some slicing right here. Now I've got just a little bit over half of that onion here, and then we'll go over here to this pot and put it right on top of that steak. Just trying to break it apart mostly and just cover it up. Okay, we're just going to do it like this. Around in here. And even if it doesn't stay up there, if it falls down, it'll be alright too, because it's just going to add that much more flavor to it. And just a couple more little pieces here. Alright, now so much for that. And now we'll come over here and take the pressure lid and put on here, and as you know, you line your arrows up here, go down with this and turn it clockwise until it stops. And with this new top, it's automatically sealed, so you don't have to worry about it being on vent or sealed because it's in the sealed position. You come down here and you put pressure cook. And you come over here to where it says time, and you run it down to 7 minutes, and then you hit the start button. And like before, if you don't do all this pretty soon, it'll just shut itself down. You have to start all over again with it. So now we'll have to wait a few minutes till that little button pops up back there, and then it'll start counting down. So we'll be back. Okay, it's only been about 4 or 5 minutes now since I hit the start button down here, but that's getting some steam coming out from around it. Well, the pot was already hot for one thing, so that helps. But I don't think it's going to be but just another second or two before that button pops up. It's trying to now. And as soon as it does, we'll turn around to the front and see how much longer it takes it to start actually cooking. And there it came. It took exactly 5 minutes for that button to pop up after we hit the start button. Okay, now everybody's familiar with pressure cookers knows after it electric pressure cookers, that is, knows after the button pops up, it takes it a minute or two for it to start counting down. This took exactly 34 seconds before it started counting down. So, hey, that's pretty quick. And so now we just have to wait till that 7 minutes goes by and we'll be ready to eat some steak. Okay, now we're down under a minute here on this cook with these two steaks. Well, I've got a chance, y'all can join our channel, give us a thumbs up, we'll sure appreciate it. And thank you very much to all you people that watches our videos. It means a lot to us. If you get a chance, check out some of our links down below. You might see something you like from Amazon. That's all the commercials I got, so hey. What can I say? Should be getting close now. Okay, and that's the end. Now I'm going to let it come to a natural rest for 5 minutes, and we'll be back. Now this should start counting up 5 minutes here in a second. Okay, now these have been sitting here for 5 minutes, actually 5 minutes and a few seconds. So now we'll come back here and hit this relief valve. Now if you're familiar with the new lid here, it's got this little button here, you just push down on it and that releases it. You don't have to mess with this thing back here unless you just want to play with it some. But otherwise just come up right here and push that button straight down and there it comes out. Okay, now I can tell no more pressure is coming out of there. It's not going to take a real long time. So we're going to look down there in just a couple of minutes or seconds because I want the valve down. I'm going to turn this pot so I can get a better grip on it. Put you over here so you can see down in here. Turn it counterclockwise. Make sure you turn it away from your face and right side up. Or upside down, them look good. Now I'm going to take right here out. Set it on this plate. That does look good right there now. Let me get a knife and a fork over here. Okay, let's see how easy it's going to be to cut into. I can tell why that fork went down in there. It's going to be pretty easy. There you can see that's done. Okay, that's about it for this little video. Of course, it needs more salt and pepper, like it usually does with me. But it's real good. So I hope you give it a try sometime. Maybe you'll like it. Especially like right now, if you can't go outside and do grilling or stuff like that, can't be in a crowd, you know. Throw some in your Instant Pot here and try them. See what they're like, you know. You might like it, you might want to do it over and over again. So until next time, y'all have a real good and safe day. Don't forget to wash your hands and stay away from everybody. And we'll see you next time. Goodbye now.